What's up fellows, this is Zalendo Brayo, and in today's video I want to share with you some of the fastest ways you can make money online here in Kenya. So I'll share with you 4 ways you can easily make money online. So just a disclaimer guys, these are video for serious people since some of these jobs require some training and you need some little investment for the training, just as little as $8. So if you are a serious guy who wants to make at least $50 daily, this is a video for you. Make sure you like and subscribe, and without wasting my time, let me share with you my screen so that you can get started right now. This is the first way you can easily make money online in Kenya. We'll start with Surface because simpler and cheaper to do so. So how will you make money with Surface? There are many companies who want to collect information from their customers, so you can participate in one of these surveys and earn some money. So they need your opinion and they will pay you for your opinion. So how much will you be able to earn per survey? So per survey, you can earn according to the number of projects you do. So the number of surveys you do, the least amount is $0.25 and the maximum is $25. So let's say you participate in like 2 surveys that pays $25 each, that is $50. So guys, I'll leave a link in the description for you to access this job because it's simpler and anyone can do it. You don't have to struggle there looking for jobs, yet you have ways to make money online. So guys, I'll leave this link for you to create your account and access the survey jobs that will enable you to make some money online. So let's move to the second way, and that is writing jobs. So guys, in this one I have 2 networks where you will be able to access these jobs. So the first one is this one. Yes, writing jobs. This one anyone can do it because you just need to use the auto-writer to create articles. You just edit the articles and sell it to bloggers, social media users, and also those in email marketing. You just need to use the auto-writer to generate articles. So how much will you get paid through this job? So let's see how much they pay per project. As you can see, it's $25 to $100 per project. If you want to make $50, you just need either 1 project or 2 projects that pays $25. So guys, I'll leave a link in the description for you to access this job, the online writing. You just come here and join. So this is for anyone, anywhere in the world. So another network is this one, paid online writing jobs. Online writing jobs that pay between $25 to $50 per hour. As you can see, this is an awesome amount of money. Suppose you subscribe to this training, you will be able to have a good return on investment. So with this, you just need to answer some questionnaires so that you can get a job that is in accordance with the answers you have given. So let's answer these questionnaires randomly. Yes. So what type of job are you looking for? And a job that I can do from home. That's that one. Then which one? I'll choose article writing because I can use the auto writer. So I've chosen article writing. How much do I want to make? At least $50 per day. In a week, that's about $350. So let me just choose the first option. Yes. Which device do you normally use? Okay. Which device do you mostly use? Social media or your phone? So guys, based on your results, you'll be able to be given a job that is in accordance with your answers. And after answering all the questionnaires, you go through the skills you will need. Then come down here, scroll and click here to get started. So guys, I'll also leave a link for you to access these online writing jobs. This is the second way you can easily make money online here in Kenya. So guys, I want us to move to another way, that is paid social media jobs. So here guys, you are paid to run social medias of large corporations, companies, and even some of the celebrities can give you the jobs to run their account. So same case with the paid writing jobs, you need to answer some questions. Let's get started. Yes, on to a job that I can do from home. what is your favorite social media platform? Let me say Facebook. Yes. Then how much per week? $100 to $30, just as a beginner. Then which device you use mostly on social media? A phone. As simple as that. Then you'll be given a job that is in accordance with your answers. So based on your results is the type of social media job you are qualified for. Go through this. As you can see, earn $175 per day replying to comments on Facebook. It's really easy and fastest way you can make money. So you just need to have some skills. So just click here to get started. That's the third way you can easily make money. So with this, we also have another network that I'll share with you in the link in the description. So we also have another network that you can get access to these social media jobs, and this is it, guys. And I'll also share a link in the description for you to access this job. You'll watch the video that is playing right now, and it will guide you on how to get started. Then do the same questionnaires, and you'll be able to get a job that is in accordance with the answers you provide. So that's the third way you can easily make money online, and that's the fastest way you can make money online. You just need to go through some few minutes training, and you can really get started and make some awesome amount. Last but not least, we have paid app reviewers. So you will get paid by reviewing apps. As you know, each and every day, many apps are being developed based on customers' needs. So by giving out your feedback or a review about that app, you'll be able to earn some amount. So guys, I'll also share a link for you to access this job, and you just come here, enter your first name and your email address, and click here to get started. As you can see, these are very simple jobs. You just need some little training, as I had said. Some will require some investment for training, and I'm sure there is a good return on investment, because you'll be able to earn more than the amount you invested to access these jobs, and also the skill set you'll get is just awesome. So guys, those are the 4 fastest way I had to share with you today. But for more information on ways to make money online, just like this video and subscribe to my channel, and you'll have access to all the videos on how to make money online here in Kenya and outside Kenya. So let me see you in my next video, and have a great day.